Are you ready to hit the super huge Roman jump?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Go. Roman fall down! You guys gotta see this kicker I made Roman, it's huge. Whoa! He's sending it! Oh.
That's so hard.
This is hard walking in snowboard boots?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You guys know what's sick? Today's sticker shout out! I'm joking. We're at Keystone. And Area 51's been sick this year. I'm really hyped on the 3 jumps. We're back at Keystone. We're gonna ride Keystone probably till we take off to Utah, which we're about to be out in Utah, which I'm so excited. We're gonna go to Solitude on the 5th, Powder Mountain on the 6th, and then Woodward Park City on the 7th. So if you're in Utah and you want to rip with us, there's the dates. We're super excited. 3 new mountains that I've never been to, and we've already gone to, I think, 10 new mountains this year that I've never been to. It's gonna be a sick day. We're super excited, and we will get to that sticker shout out. I'm gonna butcher this name, but we got Ishan Bansal 16 with the gold skier sticker on the helmet. Looking so sick. Guys, we have skier stickers as well as snowboard stickers. They're all linked in the description, as well as any of the hats, hoodies, warmest merch in the game, guys. It's all linked in the description. If you do snag any of it, tag me on Instagram. I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs, but also follow the Instagrams where I post a bunch of bonus extra content, things that are not getting posted in the vlogs, as well as the stories are so funny. So make sure you follow the Instagram. I post a bunch of bonus content, and then you know, like, oh, he's riding Keystone today, he's riding Copper yesterday, because you follow the Instagram. Then you can come dab me up, say what's up. It's really sick. Enough talking. We're doing all this stuff in here, by the way, because it's like -14 degrees outside right now. So we don't really want to leave the car. It's also nice that the sticker shout out's out of the way, and I want to do it in the cold, but we're gonna suck it up. We're gonna get out there. We're gonna get out there and rip. So here we go.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat freak with the bare face and a slick tongue. That's what she say. She look good. She a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. For Pete's sake, I'm above average. I padded my stats. I gotta matter what he say. I'm the 2010 young LeBron James off the backboard, type of bad boy. Hold it down for the task force. If I run his fade, then you ask for it. Cross need to laugh more. I keep it 100 on dashboard. The live show needed passport, cause the beat bounced to the calf torn. Feel like I live it fast forward, but I asked for it. Misfit got a quick lit on a crash course for the
nothing new. The rails at Keystone are extremely sticky, so I'm trying to do different things. Ah, it's a mess. Here we go. Hyped on that back 7 because today has not been going smooth for me. It's hard when I have a day that doesn't start very smooth for tricks because it's my job, you know. I'm trying to make good videos for you guys. I want to get in the zone and throw down. So then I start spiraling mentally. I'm like, you're making a bad video, blah, blah, blah. So to come out, just get that 7 first try, that's getting me excited again. It's hard when Keystone's rails are sticky. You can't use the momentum from the rails, from getting rail tricks, to go into the jumps. I like just get frustrated on the rails and then go into the jumps frustrated because the rails were so bad. So we're having such a weird day, which once again, it happens a lot more. It happens a lot because we snowboard a lot. We're having a weird day, so we're gonna head down to the bottom, get some water, eat a granola bar, try and reset the day. Hopefully we can get it to like click it, you know? It's also getting warmer. All right guys, we got down here, we talked about it, we drank some water, we ate a snack. We decided that the vibe is just way too weird today. And we've had some really good days recently. But I don't know, I don't feel like we can flip the switch today. It's a weird one.
It's a weird day. It's a weird day.
So instead of like risking injury or like just staying out in the cold, we decided we're gonna go take Roman snowboarding, which is way cooler than us snowboarding in the first place. So let's go snag Roman, take him snowboarding. It's gonna be a sick time. So don't click out of the video. I'm telling you, you wanna see Roman rip, dude. This kid sends it. Before we get to the house and take Roman snowboarding though, I gotta go shovel this lady's deck. So I worked with a handicapped lady at Target, and so she can't do certain things. So when we get snow, I go shovel her deck for her. She lives over here by Keystone. So we're gonna go shovel this deck real quick, and then we're gonna go rip. This is my new favorite part of the day, by the way. It used to be taking my boots off. Now it's taking this rib compressor off. Congrats. Now that Benton's jamming, now that the deck is shoveled, let's go take Roman shredding. I also had an idea, by the way, because I'm thinking about making a little drop in for Roman. I have all these corrugated tubes though. Maybe we plop one of those down and maybe we hit a corrugated for a second. Not a bad idea. Shadow Shelby! Shadow Shelby! Could be sick. Alright, we gotta go grab the little dude though. Hey! Who is that? Who is that? Hi! Roman! Do you wanna go snowboard?
Yeah!
Let's do it! Let's go put your shoes on. Your boots and your pants. Do you wanna wear goggles? Ooh, you've been playing with Play-Doh.
Who's that handsome looking snowboarder? Is that you? Daddy, you're poking the cold. That's so hard.
This is hard, walking in snowboard boots?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
High five? Oh, alright, here we go. Here we go. No way, dude, you're doing it.
Whoa!
Roman's crushing, just walking around, obviously. We need to take him back onto the mountain, but we'll go make him a little drop in and a jump and see how he does. You ready? Whoa! Roman, fall down! Look at Daddy's monster truck. Roman, fall down! Yep. Look at Daddy. Here you go. Whoa! You did it! That was awesome! Scoot. Whoa! You did it! You didn't fall down! Yes! You did it! Oh! Yo, here we go. Look at Daddy. Yeah, dude! Yeah! 2, 3. No way, dude! You get so. Look how far you went! No way. So obviously he's not going very far, but what we're getting him to do is wiggle and then get to the drop in himself. So all I'm doing is honestly just putting him back up here, and he's having a ton of fun. That's all that matters. As long as he's having fun, we're winning. Oh my goodness. Right there, do you see that? You see how he caught himself? That's what we're honestly working on as well. It's him figuring out how to stay standing up. So that was super important and awesome that he crushed it.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness. He's ready for something new. No way, dude, those are good jumps. All right, so we added a new variable. We put a little bump in here. So he's gonna drop in, pump a bump. Should be good. You ready, dude?
Yes.
High five. Oh. Yeah, dude, crush the bump. Let's go. Oh yeah, dude. Easy peasy.
Are you having fun? Can I see Roman's track?
I see Roman's tracks. That's awesome. That was you.
Yes.
Do it again?
Daddy Shark?
Do you want to do it again?
Yes.
All right. Blah! Roman fall down. That's funny. All right, so Roman's gonna play with Mom. I think I'm gonna build a lip for this real quick. Maybe Dad? You wanna see Daddy snowboard? All right, let's build it. Boom, just like that, we got a nice drop in, we got a kicker, we got a rail. It's gonna be sick. Now you have no faith that this thing's gonna hold up because it's super loose snow and everything like that. But by the end of the day, I will rebuild it, leave it, and then overnight it'll freeze and be firm. Then maybe we have a session on this thing, but we'll hit it a couple times. Let Roman watch Daddy snowboard. If you were wondering too, shaping that hurt my ribs really bad. My ribs do not feel good pulling Roman up there, building this, but it's fun, so it's worth the pain. Now I'm not trying to go super hard right now. However, if this works out, maybe we will put some rails up here. Have like a at-home session, could be sick. I don't know, comment down below, should we do Buckhouse backyard session? Could be sick, get all the boys to show up, throw down. Here we go.
Dude, Shelby, that was the coolest thing ever.
There's no speed, we gotta fix that. Is that awesome, Roman? Alright, we need to play with this another day, but we'll make it faster. And then we're gonna have a session here, guys. It's gonna go down. My ribs are killing me though. And I feel like we turned a weird day into a great day, right, dude?
Yeah.
You ready to snowboard again?
Yeah.
Okay. He wants to snowboard some more. Let's do it.
I mean, look.
What do you want to do? You want to hit your bump, or do you want to hit the jump?
Jumping a bit.
You want to jump? Okay, I'll turn it into a jump. He wants to jump now. You guys gotta see this kicker I made, Roman. It's huge. Are you ready to hit the super huge Roman jump?
Yeah.
Let's do it. No way! You jumped high in the sky. Wow! Roman fall down on this huge jump. Oh,
That is so
you jumped it. Look at the trap. Yeah, dude.
Where the stops?
Yeah, it stops. You did it. Do it again. Wow! Oh no! Wow! What? Oh, you okay, Roman? Roman, you okay? Yeah, that was so funny. That was so funny. That was so funny. Tickle! He's sending it. Oh no! Call that the flamingo. Flamingo? Ostrich? Who puts their head in the ground? Can you get up or are you stuck?
Ostrich. Both?
Wow, that's so funny. Yeah. No way. No way. All right, I cannot pick him up again. My ribs are killing me. If you didn't know, I broke my ribs. Check that video out right there. But this was fun. He absolutely tore up the backyard. We figured out we didn't have enough speed on our drop-in, and we got to play with that. I'll probably play with that while they go inside. Overall, today was a win, despite it having a weird start. So I hope you guys still enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, because my goal is to help you become the best snowboarders possible by dropping some tips for you. Kind of drop more tips about how I'm teaching Roman to snowboard today. But make sure you subscribe. I drop how-to videos, resort reviews, all kinds of content, great content. And so make sure you check it out. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we're headed to Utah. It's gonna be a really sick trip. I'm really excited about that. And then when we come back from Utah, immediately go to North Carolina to snowboard. So the traveling season is amongst us. We also booked heli snowboarding at Silverthorne. So that's gonna be really sick too. So subscribe for the heli snowboarding. That's gonna be incredible. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for starting with me and Roman today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliff.